I'm Bryce.
I'm Hannah.
And this is Our Lil Adventures. So the audio's gonna sound probably a little messed up, but that's why we're here at our first stop at Wally World. Yay! Wally. We're gonna be getting a an adapter for the iPhone because we're recording this all on our phone right now, for our microphone that sits up on top of our little setup. And I'll take a picture of what our setup is. That way you all can see everything and kind of see how we operate on a low dollar budget. And you could be doing it too if you wanted to. But we're gonna go head inside Walmart, and because Walmart gets a little weird with recording, we will go ahead and see you all when we get back. Alright guys, we're gonna just secretly record, but we've got our stuff. You got this one. Show them what you got. She got herself a phone holder, but we'll be back. Alright, bye. Alright guys, so we're back. And Hannah is now setting up her phone stand for her. She's gonna mount it in the car. I think she's gonna mount it like right up here, possibly. Or it looks like she actually might do the window.
No, I think that's...
You're gonna do right there?
Do you think that's a good idea?
I mean, I think that'll work.
I think that's good.
I don't see why not.
I don't
Smile and wave because they're awesome people. But she was kind of like, what the heck is going on here?
I tried to laugh so she thought, like, I don't know.
Oh! I don't know if I caught that, but it just fell.
One eternity later.
Okay,
Lick it a little bit.
Let's
Yeah, you have to lick it a little bit. Okay. And then now you gotta stick it. And then you're gonna pop that clamp down. Yep, pop the clamp down.
Like that?
Yep, just like that. It needs to be a little bit wet though. It 100% has to be a little bit wet. Yeah, that'll be nice. Now you can finally have your phone, you know, in something.
And then you don't have to...
And then can you rotate it sideways? Oh. Or does it not want to rotate?
I mean, I can definitely turn it.
Oh yeah, so you're gonna want it like that. So we got the 3.5 audio adapter lightning charger, which is what Google said I needed. So let's hope Google didn't lie to me. I plug this into the microphone back here. So like you can see it gets plugged in there. And then I just take this and I plug it in, and I'm gonna just do like a unlock iPhone to use accessories. Oh, wait, sorry.
What was that?
You're definitely picking it up.
Yep. So it's definitely picking it up. Okay, perfect.
And how much was that?
This adapter was only $34. $35. But if you don't want the one that has the charger, you can just get one for like $9.99. Again, just make sure it's the Lightning one, and it'll work fine with any microphone that you have. They actually had a microphone set in Walmart, and it was only $19.99, and it came with the microphone and a little phone holder as well. So if you wanted to, what you could do is you could actually go in there, you could get the whole setup with the mic arm and everything for like $34, and then you could buy one of these and you're looking at like $60, and you could be recording and making yourself YouTube videos as well. Or you could just get the $9.99 one, and it could be even cheaper. I went with the Lightning, the charging one though, because I know
it's gonna drain your battery.
My battery's gonna get drained really fast, and it's not really gonna work. But what we'll probably do though is buy the microphone setup for baby girl. That way she's got, or Hannah, that way she's got a microphone setup for hers as well.
You're peeling.
I know, I'm peeling really bad. We got a lot of sun at Parker Hill, so which that will be another adventure here soon as well.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, actually, yeah, we'll be recording that one tomorrow. So make sure you all are checking out the YouTube and subscribing and liking and following or whatever.
Now follow him.
You got to do, turn on those notification bells. That way you get notified every time we're dropping new videos, which we're going to try to drop new videos once every week. It'll most likely be like a Friday. Actually, probably be like between Thursday or Saturday. I don't know. We haven't figured it out quite yet. But
when you can't find your vape and you go a little crazy.
Oh no. But we are now going to head to, so we're going to do it a little backwards. You're going to see our second stop first on the video, and then you'll see our first stop second on the video, and then our third stop is our third stop.
I don't know why I ended up saying this.
It's going to be done a little bit backwards.
We didn't
so we're
do
gonna
that
head
at
to
all,
our
so
first
don't
stop
pay attention to
of the
anything that I
second
just
part
said.
of the adventure. And I think you guys are going to like it a lot. So we're going to start heading out, y'all.
Just gonna copy this and put it into Waze so I get the police reports.
Get all the police here reports. It's actually not that far away, so we'll be pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Yes.
You girls ready back there? You ready? All right.
They need
Let's get it. So sometimes on adventures, GPSs suck. Alright, so we finally figured it out. Her Apple Maps was like sending us, I have no idea where. We're gonna pull into the park and ride and do a little Papa Yui. And And yeah, adventures, guys. They're so much fun. Sometimes, you know, they don't go exactly to plan, but we're getting there. Oh yeah, let's check out this car too. Nice. That's a nice car. So we're making it slowly but surely. This is, yeah, there's a lot of cars right now. We may actually never get out of here, guys. We might, the adventure.
Another nice car.
Oh, it's the same one. So the adventure just might end up being us hanging out in the park and ride. We'll probably eat our lunch here, survive here. I see some grass and stuff, so maybe we'll just turn it into a survival video in the park and ride. We're getting there though.
Alright.
We're definitely getting there.
I hope so, because I'm getting hungry.
All right. So we made it. We did it. We're here. It's gonna be kind of, no lie, it's gonna be a short kind of walk unless we can find some spots that we can like explore or whatever. But when I was looking up the hike, which by the way, if you want to look up the hike, I'll put that down, the link down low in the description for you guys. But it's just Falling Waters, West Virginia. But there's a lot of really cool things that happened here, and I personally really love waterfalls, no matter what the size is. So I figured, you know what? It's not that, you know, far away from home. Let's go ahead and give it a check. So, you ready for the adventure?
I am.
Yeah?
I am.
All right. Well, let's get these girls out. And that's how we do it. Bella, come on, over here. Over here, look at you. Sit, look at you, look at you. All right, so she's got me all packed up, and I think we're ready. Are you ready?
Yep.
Yeah?
Closing the door.
Closing the door over there. All right, so I am always a snob for the historical things and stuff like that. I love reading them. Someone left their weed bag here. So I figured, here we go. Battle of Falling Waters. So that's another reason why we're here. So there was 2 civil wars that were fought here. And one of them was only fought like a couple hundred yards away. And then where we're gonna go walk to or hike to really quick, which is this right here, the soldiers on the second battle, which was actually in the middle of the night, had to actually cross over this waterfall here. And they were fighting General Pettigrew, and I believe it was Ulysses S. Grant, if I remember correctly. No, sorry, General Robert E. Lee's, my fault. He was fighting Robert E. Lee's, so, yeah. All right, give me one of the leashes. Thank you. All right, let's get it then, shall we? Let's see what this place has to offer, hey? pretty. And it's like, there's no one here either. Like, I know it's a very, like, there's not really much of a hike or anything like that. Okay, so we made it down here. We were recording the whole video. I said some things, I showed you around and everything. And then there was some stuff of the girls playing. And I put the phone in the shallow part with the stand. And, well, this one decided it would be okay to just trample right over it. Like, it just didn't even exist. Normally, she, like, notices my things, and she's good about it, but this time, she wasn't. So, we're here. We made it. Do you like it?
I love it. I think it's super pretty.
Yeah? Do you want to go dip your toes in that shallow part?
Minnie, no. Minnie,
You
no.
should roll up your thing and just go dip your toes in the shallow part. It feels really good.
Maybe.
It really does. It feels super good. This place though is super cool. We've been here the entire time by ourselves. The girls are loving it. Hey, don't eat that seaweed stuff. That's not good for you. They are absolutely loving it. I'll try to find a good spot on the rock now to set it up so that I can catch them playing. But here, let me go ahead and let me show you guys around this really cool place, man. This place is awesome. So let me show you around.
Yeah, a little bit.
The girls are loving the water, man. Just well, you all can see this, but it's a little itty bitty crawdad claw right there. I saw one earlier, and it was during the last recording, so I wasn't able to get it recorded in time. All right, Onward we trek. It looks like she's doing the water. She's taking the water route, guys. She said, I rolled them up. It's time to get wet. She's also sun's out, guns out, if y'all didn't notice. Come on, baby, you got this. You're walking in the water. You got it. Yeah, let's go. No, I understand. This is what it looks like. So, absolutely gorgeous. Obviously, last time when we were here, there was nobody there, but, you know. Well, made it back to the car. We're gonna go head to Sheets really quick, grab ourselves some water. I gotta send some videos so I got more space. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so we learned a couple things. One, I learned that when I'm behind the microphone, it does not pick me up very well. So that's kind of a bummer. But I am hoping that through my wonderful editing skills and things like that, that can get fixed and we'll be good there. Two, we learned that I do not have as much storage on my iPhone as I thought I did. Even with deleting everything and just getting rid of literally everything on my phone, I still somehow ran out of space. So, I'm not gonna lie, we stopped real quick at the house, a little pit stop, because we weren't that far away from the house on the last, from the waterfall. And I uploaded, railroad track, oh gosh, bumpity bump there.
Oh my God.
Wow, I think I heard a crack. I uploaded every single picture and video just of mine personally, and then I uploaded I exported all of the videos from today, and I've got way more storage space now, so I should be able to record more things. And we should be good. There should be no more issues. But right now, we're headed to our second stop, which is going to be the, what did I say? The Chesapeake and Ohio Canal. So that's going to be our second stop here at the state park. We're going to eat some food too, because we still haven't eaten. And then we may or may not stop at the restaurant place. I would like to, just because they had something on the menu. They had some things on the menu that looked good, looked really tasty, that Hannah and I could split. But we'll see how we feel after the hike. I'm sure, honestly, we'll probably be hungry. But yeah, how was your nap? Hannah took a little nap. So how was your nap?
It was good.
Yeah.
I definitely slept on my neck.
Yeah.
But it was
Okay.
good.
Well, that's good. Well, alrighty. I hope you all enjoy the scenery. It smelled like we just passed a cow farm, which I personally don't like the smell. I did see some horses too, but comment down below if the smell of cow poop doesn't bother you, or if it's just like the worst thing in the entire world. I want to know. I'm interested. I'm curious down in the comment section below. So make sure you comment. So another thing that we're doing too that I don't think I've said it yet, but for all of our routes that we're taking to like get places, for all of our adventures, the waterfall, the state park, we're only taking back roads. So we're not getting on the highway. We're taking honestly the most scenic routes that we possibly can. But I mean, West Virginia is truly like a gorgeous state. There's so much more that we can explore and do, and it's like when I've been looking at some of the stuff that we could do, like it's kind of crazy. Like there's a bunch of like natural springs we could go to, and then we have the Appalachian Trail out here. So there's a lot of really cool things we can do. But check out this cute little town. River is actually right over there. And it looks like a bunch of people. Yeah, there's a little trail right there to get down to the river. And then it looks like we're gonna branch left here. We're gonna find our parking spot and we're gonna get situated and try to find the trail here. We'll see you guys in a second. Oh, all right. We made it. This one was actually a lot easier to find. Like, I'm actually surprised at how easy this one was. Are you ready to go on our adventure?
I am.
Mwah.
I'm excited.
All right, let's get these girls out of this car. Make sure we got our water. Water for the dogs.
Fail.
It didn't break. All right, so we got the girls good to go, and they're all situated now. So let's go ahead. And you said the trail was over here.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, lead the way then. Question is did I just end it or did I just start it? It's the question. But no, I saw her pumping up. What are the paddle boards? They're like the stand-up paddle boards or whatever. I saw her pumping that up, and I didn't know that they made pump up paddle boards now, but makes sense, I guess. And honestly, this spot up here might be a good spot for us to post up. All right, so Hannah thinks she saw a bank or something over here that we could sit on, so I'm gonna go scout ahead really quick. Little bridge right here. I mean, honestly, this wouldn't be half bad. If we drop anything though, it's done. A lot of tires and rubber down there. It's kind of nasty. I wish people didn't pollute so much. All right, we got a nice little spot. You want to sit down? Lay down, Minnie. Oh man, let's see what we got for food. Got some yummy crab chips, my Sammy, and then we've got, I grilled some chicken a couple nights ago, and we made some some chicken salad with it. It looks like she threw her bread already in here with it and then did some pickles and hot sauce. So that's what she's got going on. She'll have to let you know how it is. I'll take a bite of it too. I'll let you all know how it is. I'm gonna put some chips on my sandwich. Cheers. Simple and easy, just some bologna, ham, mayo, pickle, salt, pepper, garlic. Man, that hits the spot. How's yours?
Because I don't like picking up bread if it's soggy. So this is just more like clean and easy for me. You know?
I like it. You see that cup over there? I wonder if people have been using that like dock or whatever. All right, well, I think we're just gonna sit here for a second and just munch on some chips for a second and drink some water, and then we'll get back to the trail. So we'll see you all here in a bit. What's nice though is the bugs really aren't that bad. Like, I mean, they're here and there. To be expected. I'd be jumping in this water right here. I hope that side's cleaner. Because this side, all I see is like tires and just, it looks like a tetanus shot. It has to happen. If you even like touch the water with your toe. Done with my chips. I think baby girl's got a little bit, or Hannah, keep doing it. She's got a little bit left of hers. What the fuck? Oh, I was like, what's coming through? All right, so got a little pickle, cheese, and bread here. Let's try it out. Not bad. Not bad at all. Maybe a little too much salt, but wow. Yeah, that one's actually really good. It's got a nice little of that like burnt grill taste to it as well, and then that pickle, that sourness from the pickle. Really good. Yeah, great lunch options here. All right, let's go ahead. We're gonna clean this up, and we're gonna get back to the trail. All right. We're all packed up. We got the dogs ready to go. Let's freaking get it, man. Let's see what this trail has to offer. Yeah, it sounded like maybe the waves smashing the dead trees up there. It was so loud. It's crazy. Oh, I like that. So what character are you playing right now?
You know, honestly, I don't know. I haven't done it in a while, so I haven't thought about it.
Thing too is this is Potomac River? I think it's the Potomac River. I don't know, probably wrong. But there's nothing in the water to be worried about. I mean, maybe a snapping turtle, but like, or I mean, but yeah, there's no really poisonous. Oh, copperheads. You got to be wary of the copperheads out here sometimes. But they like to hang more on like the banks and the rocks and stuff like that. So, as long as you're not like swimming up on the banks and stuff like that, like, honestly, you'll be set. Why, hello, madame.
How are you?
You know, I'm doing absolutely stellar.
Why do you go to doing the British accent every time?
You know, I just bloody don't know.
You sound like Ronald Weasley.
Ronald Weasley, if you step your foot out of line one more time, you're coming straight home.
Okay, Molly Weasley.
Your father has an inquiry. Oh yeah, they're zooming. It's got places to be, people to see. Oh, there's another one. Oh, it's a little bit bigger. That one looks like it's more for like wakeboarding, stuff like that. There's that gorgeous sun. Yeah. We're gonna get lots of that tomorrow at Parker Hill, which again, we'll be recording for you all tomorrow. A little bit of the pool time, four-wheelers, tanning, lots of cooking, most likely. We'd love to cook when we're there. I don't know, what else do you think we'll get into? Yeah, that's right. She'll be tanning. Oh yeah, maybe a little bit of hot tub time as well. So lots of really cool adventures coming up. So make sure you all are hitting that subscribe button with those noti bells on. That way you all get updated every time we drop a new video every week. Oh, that's a jet ski. Guy is moving. Dang. Yeah. Mush and pull us, be mush dogs. Get to walk, I say. Get to walk. Mush, let's go. Choppity, choppity, choppity. And you're living, I say. Alrighty, so my storage is already getting low again, even though I emptied and wiped my phone. Definitely gonna have to figure out a better way to do this as the time goes on. So just gonna show you some cool, pretty things here and there, and then we're gonna start heading on back. So I hope you all enjoy. No, we haven't done this, and I can't believe we haven't done it, but we gotta make our intro. So I'm gonna keep this part in the video that we made it, but I'm Bryce.
I'm Hannah.
And this is Our Little Adventures. She didn't say it with me.
Try again.
Oh, it's all good though. Look at these, amazing. I'm Bryce.
I'm Hannah.
And this is Our Little Adventures. All right, we're on Hannah's phone though, so we only have so much space left. So, and almost so many batteries. So we're only gonna walk a little bit further. We'll show you a little bit of that walk, and then we'll walk back, show you a little bit of that, and then we're actually gonna go ahead and head on home, and then we'll see you when we get home. All right. Woo. I gotta go to the other side because she's on my other side, but you ready to start heading back?
Yeah.
All right, let's start heading back. We're walking back, and guy over here, he doesn't need the rope at all. All right, now do a backflip. He's still pretty good. I have to say, I've never done that one before. It is hot out here. I am sweating bullets. How you doing back here?
I'm alright.
Yeah?
It's hot.
It's freaking,
Oh my gosh.
she almost fell.
Don't fall over there, Professor.
It's hot. The girls are just about done. Bella keeps looking like she wants to jump in the water over here. Like she keeps standing on the ledge. I'll tell you what though, y'all, we're definitely getting in the exercise workout today, because man, that sun is just, it is beaming down on us today. Look at these huge mushrooms on the side of this tree. That's crazy. Those mushrooms are huge. I didn't show you all these earlier, but here you go. I'll let you all just pause it so you can read it if you want to. Yeah, this place is awesome, man. Really cool state park. Highly recommend checking it out. Ah, the parking lot, which means car is not far away, which means the little feetsies can get their rest. Nice little jet skis there. Oh, another set of jet skis, nice. Hey, well, we made it through our second adventure. We made it alive. We get the girls in the car, and we will see you all at home. All right, well, finally made it home, safe and sound. I think Hannah's in here feeding the girls. Yep, feeding the girls. How was your adventure today?
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah?
I really enjoyed it.
How was your adventure today? Was it good?
We're starving.
How was your adventure today?
They're gonna sleep good. Aw, maybe it's hard.
Yeah, it was good. It was a really, oh, I'm sorry, I just got so close to your face there. It was a really good adventure. We had a lot of fun. We are definitely tired. I can feel the sun on my
I
face.
can feel the sweat.
The sweat. But we're gonna go ahead to Ulta. She needs to grab a couple things for tomorrow's adventure. And we're actually hungry now, so we're gonna grab a little bit of food. But if you all wanna see more videos like this, oh gosh, excuse me. Make sure you all like and subscribe. Make sure you all turn that notification bell on because we're dropping videos like this once every single week for you all to enjoy and hopefully like. And also, this is our first video, so name could still be a work in progress. Also, if there's audio issues, if there's anything that you feel like could need fixing or a change up, or even if you want to see, make sure you all comment that down below and we'll definitely get back to you all. But with that, it does it. And I hope you all have a good one.
Bye. Have a good one.